The 5 most breathtaking places you must see on Earth. 1. Machu Picchu, a breathtaking ancient Incan city, stands majestically amidst the Andes Mountains. 2. Banff National Park in Canada features majestic mountains and turquoise lakes, ideal for nature lovers. 3. The Maldives offers stunning overwater bungalows and crystal-clear turquoise waters, perfect for relaxation. 4. The Great Barrier Reef showcases vibrant marine life and colorful coral, a paradise for divers. 5. Discover the enchanting beauty of Kyoto, known for its stunning temples and serene gardens. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and breathtaking destinations.